Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Pinterest inspired cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Pinterest inspired cottage decor is a cozy, charming decorating style that blends old-fashioned beauty, soft cottage comfort, and nostalgic vintage features. It feels warm, beautiful, and homey, like a little storybook cottage filled with memories. Here is a clear breakdown of what it is. Soft, homey cottage atmosphere. Vintage cottage decor always feels cozy, light and airy, beautiful, slightly rustic but still elegant. Think white curtains drifting and soft light, floral cushions and old furniture with gentle details. Uses vintage elements. You will see decor items inspired by the past, like antique style clocks, old mirrors with old frames, floral china platters, ordered old cabinets, lace table runners. These add a nostalgic charm that makes the cottage style feel lived in and timeless. Uses soft and natural color palette. Typical colors: soft white, cream, pastel blue, rose pink, shell green, muted brown, wood tones. This palette creates a calm, dreamy cottage feeling. With romantic floral touches, florals are a big part of vintage cottage decor. With floral prints on cushions, vintage floral wallpaper, rose patterned teacups, dried flower arrangements. They bring a gentle, romantic vibe. Use lightly owned rustic furniture. Furniture often looks distressed but stylish, painted in white or pastel, slightly shabby-chic, wooden, with curved shapes or curved details. It should feel warm, not modern or sleek. Uses handcrafted cottage style accents. Vintage cottage decor celebrates handmade pieces like crochet dollies, hand embroidered pillow covers, oven baskets, DIY shelves, rustic wooden trays. This makes the home feel personal and meaningful. Cozy textures everywhere. Things like soft blankets, layered rugs, linen tablecloths, cotton bedding, ruffled curtains. This makes the space relaxing and gentle. Overall feeling, vintage inspired cottage decor equal a sweet blend of nostalgia, comfort, nature, and handcrafted charm. It is a style that makes the home feel like a warm hug. A style built on nostalgia. Vintage cottage decor is all about bringing the charm of the past into a cozy cottage space. It mixes old-fashioned beauty, soft romance, simple countryside living. The goal is to make a room feel like it has a long, gentle history, even if everything is newly designed. Nature as a big inspiration. This style is closely tied to nature. You will often see fresh flowers in simple vases, botanical prints, natural old peaches, oven textures, jute, wicker, and rattan. Even the color tones come from nature: soft greens, rose pinks, dusty blues, creamy whites. Imperfect is perfect. Our signature of Vintage Cottage decor is its love for imperfections. Examples: a slightly tipped ceramic jugs, a weathered wooden shelf, a gently faded floral fabrics. These imperfections create authenticity, warmth, and a lived-in feeling. Cottage comfort comes first. Everything should feel comfortable, soft inviting. Common features: cushions everywhere, throw blankets, over stuffed furniture, layered cozy bedding. Even a vintage style cottage bedroom looks like a dreamy nest. Storybook accessories instead of two modern items. Accessories feel like they belong in an old country cottage. You will often find old books with own covers, vintage glass bottles, antique picture frames, candle holders, enamel pictures, crochet tiles. Each item looks like it has a story. Mix of textures make it alive. Vintage cottage style relies on rich texture play. Use lace, linen, crochet, soft cotton, distressed oud, wicker baskets, ruffled fabrics. The texture adds layers of charm and comfort. Handmade touches are important. This style loves craftsmanship. Handmade decor makes the home feel personal. Examples: knitted throws, DIY painted furniture, handmade pottery, hand embroidered pillow covers. The spaces add soul and character. Blending old and new. One of the best parts of vintage cottage decor, you don't need all antique furniture. Mix modern comforts with vintage accents. For example, a modern sofa with vintage floral pillows, a new white kitchen with antique style dishes, old wall art mixed with new cabinetry. This makes the style fresh, not outdated. Vintage inspired cottage decor feels warm, peaceful, romantic, nature connected, soft, nostalgic, and dreamy. It is a style that feels like stepping into a slow, sweet countryside morning. A style built on soft memories, vintage cottage decor is not only about objects, it is about the feeling of remembering something gentle, even if you never lived in. It captures the comfort of old family homes, the charm of countryside mornings, the beauty of things made with care, the calmness of solo living. Every page is chosen to create a sense of warmth and belonging. A celebration of simplicity. This style rejects loud, modern perfection. Instead, it embraces simple, everyday beauty. A wooden tools with a faded paint mark, a teacup patterned with tiny roses, a curtain glowing softly in sunlight. It teaches you that a home doesn't need glamour to feel beautiful, it only needs heart and softness. Light is the magic ingredient. Vintage cottage decor loves natural light. Use shaded curtains, big windows, soft morning sunlight, golden afternoon glow. This creates an atmosphere that feels dreamy, open, and peaceful. Light makes the pastel colors and delicate patterns shine gently. Furniture that feels warm and familiar. Furniture in this style often has curved edges, curved details, soft lines, light distressing, like it has been loved for years. Imagine pictures that look like they have stood in a cottage for decades, strong, loyal, and full of stories. Florals appear everywhere because they connect the indoors with nature. You will see distinct floral prints, vintage rose patterns, watercolor style botanical designs, jade flower bouquets. They bring a soft, feminine, countryside sweetness into the home. Fabrics that whispers comfort. Textures play a big role. The fabrics are always soft, breathable, and slightly old-fashioned. in the best way. Common cottage fabrics linen, cotton, lace, ruffles, crochet, lightweight quilts. The stick styles create a cocoon-like comfort. Colors that cloud the street. The palette is inspired by quiet countryside sunsets. Pigment like early morning leaves. Soft rose like garden flowers. Creamy white like sunlight rocket danes. Dusty blue like the sky at dawn. Faded brown oud like old barns. The colors don't shout, they shoot. Meaningful small details. Vintage cottage decor shines in its small personal moments. A tiny enamel jug, wooden care used as storage, a framed botanical prints, a shelf lined with old books, a handmade cushion on a rocking chair. Each detail adds character and a sense of handmade charm. Time on beauty. This style says the past as something precious. Sign of ways like patina, soft chip, faded paint, and not flaws. They are beauty marks of history. Vintage cottage decor touches. You do love things that are not perfect because real life is not perfect either. The emotion of the style. Vintage cottage decor creates a home that feels safe, gentle, warm, inviting, slightly romantic, like a peaceful escape. It feels like stepping into a storybook where everything slows down and softens. Vintage inspired cottage decor a deep artistic essence, a style that tells stories without words. Vintage cottage decor is not just decoration, it is a storytelling through objects. Every item feels like it has a little story. A teacup that looks like someone once treasured it. A mirror with a own frame, like it has reflected many faces. A quiet stage with care symbolizing patience and love. The home becomes a collection of gentle memories, even if you are starting fresh. Emotional warmth, not just aesthetic. This style is built to make you feel something: calmness, innocence, safety, quiet joy, nostalgia, soft romance, solemnness, and peace. Vintage cottage decor is not loud, it touches you gently like a warm breeze. Nature is not just an inspiration, it is a presence. Nature does not simply influence this style, it lives inside it. You see nature in botanical paintings, floral wallpapers, jade lavender bounces, wildflower buckets, natural wood cranes, wicker baskets. Even the colors feel like countryside seasons. A balance between own and wholesome. One of the deepest characteristics of this style is beautiful imperfection. There is a philosophy behind it. Something with a little ace has more soul. Something not perfect feels more human. Soft fading tells a story. Patina is memory made visible. This gives the home a sense of continuity, as if it has been loved for years. Light creates the poetry. Vintage cottage decor is a style written in light. Morning light falling across a wooden table, soft golden afternoon shadows, candle glow at dusk, light passing through shade curtains. Light is how turns ordinary rooms into dreamlike cottage spaces. This style uses textures that feel comforting, linen that wrinkles softly, cotton that is breathable and warm, crochet that looks handmade, smooth ceramics, rough wooden beams, fluffy coils and pillows. These textures create a sensory experience that feels safe and nurturing. Gentle romanticism. Modern styles try to be sleek. Vintage cottage style tries to be soft and dreamy. It loves curved furniture, soft florals, pastel details, light lace, soft fabrics, the sweetness of old-fashioned details. It is romantic but not dramatic, more like a sweet countryside love than a grand romance. A home that encourages solo living, Venus Cottage Decor supports a slower, more peaceful lifestyle. Spaces feel like they invite you to sit with a cup of tea, read a book, nap on a cozy sofa, make something simple, enjoy quiet mornings. The decor teaches you to slow down and appreciate little joys. Vintage-inspired cottage decor feels like a sunny cottage morning, a warm blanket of nostalgia, a quiet corner full of softness, a place where memories can grow, a home that feels alive with gentle history. It is one of the most emotional, comforting, and poetic home styles. Vintage cottage decor is built on a quiet philosophy. Simple things have deep beauty, imperfect things have soul, handmade things have heart, natural things bring peace. Softness is strength, sallowness is luxury. It is not just a decor style, it is a way of seeing the world gently. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.